Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your crew language on War Thunder's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your crew language on your War Thunder's account, firstly go ahead and open your War Thunder application. The home page of War Thunder application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down, tap on Options. On the next page, click on Language. Choose the crew language that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change your crew language on War Thunder quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.